Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to correct boot error code 0xc0000098, then stick around for the solutions. The first solution would be to rebuild the BCD. So we go to command prompt, run as administrator, and input the command BOOTREC space slash REBUILT and press enter. Now this should rebuild the BCD and should correct the problem. But if it doesn't, then we can again go to command prompt and run a check disk. We do that by inputting the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Now this should correct the problem, but if it doesn't, then we have to run an RFC scan. We again go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, input the command sfc space slash scan now SCANNOW, press enter, and this should correct the problem. If all of these steps don't work, then we need to uninstall the recent updates. So we do that by going to right click, settings, Windows Update, update history, and we check for the recent updates that we have done. And if after downloading an update we have problems of this sort, then we uninstall the program. I hope this video helped you. If so, please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the day.